Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, November the 9th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, November the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number 9567. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4 Star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 Stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 1 3. We have here 3 4s, 3 5s, 4 5s. Whoa. How about the 6s? 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 5s are in majority. Gotta start with a 5. That's the question. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place level 5 should be there. 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Well, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. Need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 2 2, 4 4. 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only place level 1 should be there. And now I can continue with the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 4 should be there. Okay, now 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Yeah, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 5 5, okay. Now I need to think. One of the missing number in the first row is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the first row. Should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 9, okay. 9 9 9 9 9. Well, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 9 9, okay. 4 4. You need a 4 there, okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have 4 and a 3 in this column, so no 4 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and a 3. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, let me see. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. Well, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have an 8 in that row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 2 and 6. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 8, 1, and I need a 3 here. 1, need a 2, need a 6 and a 7. 2, 6 and a 7. Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2, 2, 7, 9, 9, 5, 5. Well, 7. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. Okay, 8, 8, 8. Then let me see. 7, 8, 5. I need that number. These 3 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. No 3 here. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Need a 9 there. I'm thinking. 2, 2. Need a 4, need a 5. Here. 5 there. I'm thinking. 7 there. Need 7 here. All right. Two numbers left now in this third row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, and now 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. Well. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. Here I need also a 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, okay. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Now I need to think. 4. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left, 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 7. Then let's see. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place left with 2 should be there. Then need a 8 here. Need a 3 here. And I need a 5. 5. Okay. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, and the 3. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 5 there. 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Okay. In this row, we need a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. So the only place left the 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And we have a pair. The 1 and 7 in the last row. The 1 and 7 in the row above. So that row. Only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here the other pair in this row are the numbers 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. In this column we need a 7. These 2 boxes can be 7 because we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here we have a 7 in the row above, no 7 there. So the 7 in the fifth column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left is 7 should be there. Alright, 4, 8, 4, 2, 5. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Come on. 3, 8, 5. 5, 3, 8. Come on, the 3s. We need a 3s. We need a 3s. How about the 7s? No. How about the 1s? 1, no. How about the 2s? 2. No. 4. No. Come on. How about this? Box 3 and 8. I need a pairs. Think. Need a 5 there. So I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 1, 2. About the 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 6. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. 3, 5. 3, 6, 5. I'm stuck. Let me put some numbers. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, now need to place level 9. Cube here, go there. No 9 here. 9, 9, 9, 9. No. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, now need to place level 9. Cube here, cube there. Here we have a 9. Here we have a 9. That means in this column, the 9 should be in one of those two boxes. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place level 9 should be here. And I've marked those earlier with an 8. So if I put the 9 there, so if I eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. We have all the 9s, okay. 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 7. Two numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. Okay. How about 3 and an 8? 3 and 8. We have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 anymore. This box will be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this row for number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 3, 5, and the 1. Okay, 3, 5, 4, and a 6. 3, 5, 4, and a 6. 7. Need a 5 here. 8. How about the 1? 1, 1. How about the 2? Yeah. 2, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, and look, we have 1 and 2 in the middle row. No 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. 6 and 7. We have 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 1. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left, 6 should be here. On there, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 4 and a 3, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And 3, wait. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.